Hi guys, you're watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to discuss that and I will show you that how we can test the different types of Linux online, and which will be absolutely free. So if you are fed up with the Windows and licenses and updates and bugs, definitely many people are nowadays planning to switch from Windows to Linux. But the problem is that which version of Linux you have to choose. The main question is that. So there are a lot of versions: Kali Linux, Linux Mint, Linux Ubuntu. You have a lot of options. So you have which option you have to choose, and which option you have to select so that you can and easily work on that, and which option Linux option should be suitable for you. So we will find out in this video because I bring a great video for you guys. You can test each version of Linux online. No need to install onto the Linux, no need to install onto the server, no need to install onto the physical machine. You can just test it absolutely free, and most importantly, it is online. No need to download the ISO, no need to install onto the physical system, because obviously you will have a one system, and you don't want to disturb your system just for the sake of the testing. So this is the great opportunity for you guys. So let me show you the video. Let's say if you are using a Windows and you want to switch from Windows to Linux, then which option you have to choose. So let's go on to the website, that is Distro C. And once you have the Distro C, you will have all the distributions available inside this Distro C website, and it is the one of the fantastic website which is my personally favorite, because I have tested a lot of version over that. You can run the Linux for testing purpose. Once you satisfy, then you can replace your Windows with the your favorite one, Linux. So we have a lot of options. All the Linux versions are available here. So you can try CentOS, you can try Ubuntu. Let's try with the Ubuntu because it is one of the most popular system of Ubuntu, of Linux. And once you click onto the Linux, then you have to check mark your desired version. So 0.05 is the recently launched version, and 24.05 is 04 is my favorite version, because it is a stable version and it has already been tested by myself and a lot of people, so I'm confident on that. So let's click on to the 24.04, and then once you click on that, then you will have an instant interface of start Ubuntu, and just you have to click onto the start Ubuntu, then wait for a while. So you can see that we are going to do entire setup online. There is none of business of your laptop, your hard drive, your RAM. Absolutely everything is free and neat and clean. Just you are going to perform a test. Once you satisfy, then you can replace your Windows with the Linux. So you have to click onto the continue, and once you click onto the continue, then you can see that it is connecting, and now the Ubuntu is being loaded in front of you. And how fast it is, obviously, but you during when you experience the Ubuntu, obviously you will feel little lagging, because obviously you are working online and you are working onto the browser, so little lagging, you will feel little lagging. But apart from that, everything is perfect. You can test each and everything you want. If you want to run any application, you are confused that application X is or application Y is working onto the Windows, and I doubt that it will work onto the Linux or not. So you can just deploy or set up online Linux in order to test your application. You can test it. Once you satisfy, then you can replace your Windows with the respected Linux, your favorite one. So it is being loaded, you can see that, and wait for a while. So preparing Ubuntu. Now you have to select the language. English has already been selected. You can select any other language as well. So obviously we will go with the English, United States. Next, next, next. Wide connection. Next. Not update now. Skip. Install Ubuntu. Next. Ubuntu desktop. Next. No need to download anything because you will have built-in internet connection, engine, everything, so just ignore for that. But when you are installing onto the physical machine, so you have to consider these options. Let's say if you have any third-party graphics card, so you have to make sure you have to check mark this. Next. So you have to just click onto the quit application, quit installation. It doesn't mean that it will not work and you are going to quit the installation. It is just a formality. So just you have to click onto the quit installation and you have the Ubuntu interface. You can see that. So if you click onto the start menu, like terminal, let me show you something. Terminal, you can see that you have terminal. You can check out the Linux version, and we have update option just like a real Ubuntu, and \etc os-release. So you can see that we have Ubuntu 24.04 and it is somewhat a distribution of Debian, obviously. So you can see that how it is. And if you want to run any application like Office or any application you want to test onto the Ubuntu, so it is a fantastic option. You can test it online, no need to download and install ISO. So if you want to check the Kali Linux, if you want to check Mint, any type of Linux, you can check it. And this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. Give the thumbs up, and if you like this video, give the comment in the section as well. And if you have any question, you can also leave in the comment. I will give the answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give the thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.